Moments after Israeli War Cabinet Minister Benny Gantz announced his resignation on Sunday, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu responded by emphasizing the need for unity in the ongoing conflict with Hamas. Now is not the time to abandon the fight, it is time to combine powers, Netanyahu stated, according to a translation by the Jerusalem Post. Gantz's resignation follows a period of intense conflict that began on October 7, 2003, when Hamas launched the deadliest militant attack on Israel in history. The attack resulted in approximately 1,200 Israeli deaths and the taking of around 250 hostages. In response, Israel initiated its heaviest airstrikes and ground offensive against Gaza, displacing nearly 2 million Palestinians and killing over 35,000, according to local health officials. A temporary ceasefire in November led to the release of about half of the hostages. Gantz, who joined Netanyahu's emergency government after the Hamas attack, criticized the lack of clear post-war strategy and accused Netanyahu of prioritizing political survival over the country's needs. In his televised resignation address, Gantz stated, "Netanyahu is preventing us from moving forward to a real victory." He highlighted the necessity of a comprehensive plan which included the return of hostages, demilitarization of Gaza, ending Hamas's control, and normalizing relations with Saudi Arabia. Gantz also proposed establishing a temporary US, European, Arab, Palestinian civil administration for Gaza, while Israel maintains Security Council. Gantz further called for the return of northern Israeli residents who had been evacuated and the rehabilitation of Gaza border communities. He advocated for all Israeli citizens to be draft eligible, addressing the current exemption for ultra-Orthodox Jews. Netanyahu's office responded to Gantz's ultimatum with a statement, "While our heroic soldiers are fighting to destroy Hamas battalions in Rafah, Gantz chooses to issue an ultimatum to the Prime Minister instead of issuing an ultimatum to Hamas." Gantz's office retorted that had Netanyahu heeded his advice, the mission in Rafah would have been completed months ago. Gantz criticized Netanyahu for not taking decisive action due to fears of extremists within his government. On Sunday, Gantz urged Netanyahu to set a date for early elections, stressing the need for a government that can gain the trust of the people and effectively address Israel's challenges. "Do not let a nation tear apart," Gantz implored, advocating for a more unified and decisive leadership. Following Gantz's resignation, Netanyahu took to X to address the nation. "Citizens of Israel, we will keep fighting until victory and the achievement of all the goals of the war, first of which is to free all our hostages and to eliminate Hamas."